Those who love to propagate message of love and message of truth through one's own highest syllabus of Nij Yoga, they should know how to be universally loving human species through the expansive of the heart to hearts to create one's own business groups. Business, spirituality and prosperity together is purposefully engaging to impart the knowledge. So it is not a devotional activities, it's a business ways of one disseminating knowledge to live beautifully. Loving human species, allowing the monetary benefits to reach to the real required souls to have a wonderful styles with the brilliance of brains in it. That means it's a purposeful engagement in commercial activities of business waves. Royal. Lavishly earn, lavishly spend, and create one's own business groups in tune with ME Spirituality. Right? Love to you all. Global man owns in the leading styles. ME programs, morning exercises, the power of meditations, souls gathering. I am here in this planet for you and me, with highest specifications, luxurious and royal for business groups to live and lead wonderful, beautiful life for a new millennium, Satya Yuga. Love to you all.